Top 10 facts about USA. The United States of America, commonly known as the USA, is a diverse and fascinating country with a rich history and culture. From its iconic landmarks to its unique traditions, the USA has a lot to offer. In this video, we will explore the top 10 facts about USA that make it such a special place to visit and learn about. 10. Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights encompasses the initial 10 amendments of the U.S. Constitution, ensuring key freedoms and protections for individuals, such as the rights to free speech, religious practice, and a fair judicial process. It also includes the right to bear arms and safeguards against unreasonable searches and seizures. 9. Mount Rushmore. Carved into the granite face of South Dakota's Black Hills, Mount Rushmore is an awe-inspiring monument that pays tribute to 4 U.S. presidents who played pivotal roles in shaping American history. The colossal sculptures of George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln, completed in 1941 under the direction of Gutzon Borglum, stand as a testament to the resilience and vision of the United States. 8. Statue of Liberty. Gifted by France in 1886, the Statue of Liberty stands as a towering beacon of freedom and democracy on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. Emblematic of the United States ideals, it welcomes visitors with the famous inscription, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." This colossal statue depicting Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, holds a torch above her head and a tablet inscribed with the date of the American Declaration of Independence. 7. Washington, D.C. As the heart of the United States political landscape, Washington, D.C. boasts an array of historic landmarks including the Capitol Building, where Congress meets, and the White House, the president's official residence. Beyond politics, it offers a wealth of cultural experiences through its numerous museums, particularly those of the Smithsonian Institution, showcasing America's rich heritage. 6. National Anthem. Adopted as the United States national anthem in 1931, the Star-Spangled Banner encapsulates the spirit of the nation. Penned by Francis Scott Key during a pivotal moment in the War of 1812, it narrates the resilience and determination of the American people in the face of adversity. Sung in a variety of events, from sports games to school functions, its lyrics and melody evoke a sense of unity and patriotism, reflecting the enduring values and freedom that Americans cherish. 5. Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is deeply embedded in the cultural fabric of the United States, observed on the 4th Thursday of November. This cherished holiday brings families and friends together in a spirit of gratitude, commemorating the harvest and other blessings of the past year. The centerpiece of the celebration is a lavish meal featuring turkey, stuffing, and an array of side dishes and desserts that highlight the bounty and diversity of American cuisine. 4. Hollywood. Nestled in Los Angeles, California, Hollywood is renowned as the heart of the global film industry. Famous for its iconic sign, this district is home to the largest film studios and entertainment companies that have shaped global cinema and television. Hollywood's influence extends beyond entertainment, affecting fashion, music, and global culture, making it a pivotal element of American identity. 3. Presidential elections. Every 4 years, the U.S. embarks on a presidential election, a pivotal moment that defines the nation's future direction. This intricate process includes primaries, caucuses, and an electoral college system, culminating in the selection of the president and vice president. It's a time of heightened public engagement with debates, campaigns, and extensive media coverage leading up to Election Day. 2. Major sports. In the USA, sports are not just games, they're an integral part of the national identity and culture, resonating deeply with Americans' love for competition and camaraderie. The NFL, NBA, MLB, and NHL stand at the forefront, each representing American football, basketball, baseball, and ice hockey respectively. These leagues command vast audiences, both in stadiums and through media channels, celebrating athleticism and teamwork on a grand scale. 1. NASA. NASA stands at the forefront of global space exploration, with notable achievements including the monumental Apollo moon missions and pioneering Mars rover explorations. As the beacon of the U.S. civilian space endeavors and aeronautical research, this agency continually advances scientific and technological frontiers, aiming for further explorations of Mars and the universe.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, or more videos like this. Thanks for watching.